I, Samarth Kalra.
And I am Siddid Juneja of Amity Basundra, Sector 6.
We are the founders of Meditech app.
Medicine Bank is an online website that helps poor people to get medicine for free. Our app is also available in Hindi. We are working on daily medicine equipments and basic medicine.
This is our website. Now let me explain how does it work. Anyone who is having spare medicine or even otherwise who wants to contribute to this medicine bank can donate the medicine through virtual mode by entering the details of the medicine. What are the benefits? Provide free medicine to poor people who are not in a position to buy. Availability of medicine during odd hours. Direct link of the person who is having the medicine. No exchange of money involved. Now, if you want to donate the medicine, you need to fill the form. This is the form, and here you need to enter the details of the medicine. When you click the submit button, your medicine gets added into the list. Here is the list. Now let's search some medicines like ofloxacin. Remember, the spelling should be correct.
Our future prospect is to collaborate with delivery oriented companies. Doctor's prescription is necessary for these medicines. We have also applied for copyright and app registration.
Was the site easy to use and what was your overall experience using Medicine Bank?
The site was very easy to use and I had a smooth experience with it.
Were you able to donate your medicines easily?
Yes, I successfully donated some of my unused medicines.
Would you recommend Medicine Bank to someone known to donate their unused medicines for the charitable cause?
I would highly recommend using Medicine Bank to my family and friends and urge them to donate to this good cause.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time.
Was the site easy to use and what was your overall experience using Medicine Bank?
Yes, the site was very easy to be used, and overall we can say that this site is very helpful for everyone. I mean, people can use this site and this will be very helpful for everyone.
Okay. Would you refer to someone known to donate their unused medicines?
Yes, surely I will, because it is a help for the needy.
Okay.